Hello everyone. So in the previous video we have seen uh, how to make a yellow ball, and as soon as the fish eats the yellow ball the score increases by 10. And I told you that we will also make a poison ball, and because of that the life would be reduced. So we have already taken green, but let's do one thing. Let's take green as another protein ball only, which increases the score by say 15 or 20, whichever one we want. Obviously we can use green as a poison ball also, but we'll do one thing. We'll take yellow and green ball as protein balls, and we will take the red ball. We will introduce another ball, and we will call it red ball, and that would be the poison ball. Obviously it is up to you which color ball you want to take it as poison, which you want to take it as protein, whether you want to keep two balls as protein or one ball as protein, or you want to put four balls as protein, four balls as poison. It is completely up to you, and you will understand after this video why am I saying so. So we have already introduced the parameters for green ball. So what we are going to do is we'll just copy this yellow thing, and we'll just press enter and we'll paste this. And instead of yellow, we will take it as green paint, since we've already defined green paint above, and another green paint. And obviously, so now this yellow paint is done, green paint is done, and same below over here. So this entire thing is for yellow. We can just copy this, and we press enter and we paste the entire thing. So again, everywhere where you find yellow, you just replace it by green. So this would be green speed. This would be green X. Here as well, green X. This would be green X comma green Y. And we can increase the score by 20 or 15 or anything. It's up to us. And this would be replaced by green X. So the green ball will disappear, because this means green X is equal to green X minus 100. So the X coefficient would be decremented by 100. So again over here it would be green X less than 0. This changes to green X. This changes to green Y. So, and the last part is this, where we change it to green X comma green Y. We can change the radius if we want, but let's keep the radius as 25 only. You want, you can make it bigger or smaller. And this would be green paint. So I guess that's it. There is nothing else which needs to be changed. So let us check whether we are able to get the output or not. So now in the green, now in the game, there should be two balls which should be uh, seen running from left to right, right to left rather. So this is just going to restart. This is the previous mode. So here we are, the initial splash activity for 5 seconds, and we are still able to see yellow balls only, but one is quicker than the other. and the quicker ball we are getting it as 20 points. That means somewhere we have not changed yellow to green. So let us check the program again. So here we have not changed the color to green, so that's the mistake we did. So we'll change it to green. So color dot green. And now let us run the program again. So again this will restart in a while. The Gradle is still running. It's not yet executed. Now it has. Splash activity for 5 seconds. And now it's proper. Obviously the speed of the green ball is a little more than the yellow ball. And we are getting double the points for green ball, as you can see. So if you see 150 changes to 170 and 190, and if I get the yellow ball it changes by 10. That's 240 and this is 250, and this would be 260, 270 and 290 here. So that's it for this video. So this was a pretty straightforward video where we just introduced another ball, which is the green ball. So what we can do is in this video itself we can introduce red ball as well. Some things would remain same, like the initialization. So obviously the speed is different for green and yellow ball, and that is why we are getting a difference in speed in the game as well. So if we keep both at 16, they'll be coming at the same speed. So I'm just going to copy this to instructions and I'm going to paste it here. And now instead of green, I'm going to take it as red X, red Y, and red speed. And this would be the fastest of all. This would be the poison ball. So we'll make it as 25, and this would be red pink. Okay. Now over here, so this is for yellow, and then this is for green, the entire thing. So we are just going to copy this and we are going to paste this and we are going to write it for red. So green X gets replaced by red X, red X minus red speed. Red X, red Y. And now this is not required, so we are just going to delete this statement as the score is not going to be incremented by 1. This would be red X. This would be red X less than 0. So red X here as well. This would be red Y. This would be red X, comma red Y, and we can take the radius as 30. So that's it for now. Remaining part we will see in the next